Hi guys, this is Ishak and you are watching Ahyat Property TV. Thank you so much for tuning in. And today we're going to look into some survey results or conclusions from the wonderful iProperty.com. And you got to love these web portals because of these surveys that they run. And there's a couple of surveys that I want to talk about, and there's going to be two parts of it. But the first one we're going to look into, as you can see here, there's going to be two surveys I want to talk about in two different videos. Today we want to look into the consumer property search journey. Now this is really interesting. We want to understand how people what kind of people that enter into looking into property, and they're basically a journey in who they really are. Now, these are a couple of things that they highlighted. Understand this process and how property buyers and investors go about this decision process into buying property. iProperty.com Malaysia conducted a short survey on the site, gathering close to 800 respondents. The survey revealed that, listen to this, there's five major revelations. While majority of property buyers and investors want to buy property within the 6 to 12 months, more than 50% of them begin the search more than a year before. That's quite interesting, right? So that means they go into looking into the property 1 year before. Now, the top three factors that they consider important in their quest to own a property is location, price, and the reputation of the developer. Interesting. Location, price, and reputation. Now, 89% begin the search process directly on iProperty.com Malaysia, as 92% find online property advertising more effective than print broadcast ads. Ooh, interesting. Number 4, 99% of respondents want detailed info on property developments, and 89% turn to the internet to find out about new property developments. This is massive numbers that shows how people are treating internet as their point of reference into buying property. And then the fifth revelation is slightly less than half of respondents prefer to be contacted by phone compared to any other mode of communication. So that means if you want to get engaged with respondents, you got to have your telephone skills up there, right? So this is in pictures, and you got to love when they've conceptualized these survey findings into pictures, and it makes it more easy to understand. So now let's see this. The consumer property search journey. So starts the consumer property search journey, about 800 respondents, 59% males. What's that again? Which one's males and which one is ladies? Okay, below. All right, now the bigger part of the respondents, 31 to 40 years old, is 46%. That's the bigger part. And young, oh yeah, the second largest group is 21 to 30. Annual household income, the largest group is from 30 to 90,000 ringgit annually. That's 43%, and the second highest group is 90 to 180,000, which is 27%. So half of that, and most of them are executive, managerial level, and professionals, which makes sense, which really correlates with the household income bracket. So there are some students looking about 2% of that. So when they want to buy property within 6 to 12 months and within 1 to 2 years, so there, but 50% already look within the first within 12 months. Sorry, the three factors is location, price, and developers track record. Where do they search? They search online, 89%, and yeah, that's really cool stuff that you can get from this survey. So you know what? We don't have to reinvent the wheel. We don't have to do surveys of our own. It sometimes costs a lot of money, and we might not be able to get really targeted people as our respondents. But thanks so much for people from iProperty.com for such surveys. This is just something that's really cool, something awesome for us to understand the market a little bit more, especially if you are people providing the products for the market, providing services for people who are looking for property. This is a good survey to look into to understand your market. So thank you so much for watching Ahyat Property TV. Thank you so much for iProperty.com for this survey, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.